Give me all your love now, 'cause for all we know, we might be dead by tomorrow. I can't go on wasting my time, adding scars to my heart, 'cause all I hear is I'm not ready now. And I can tell that you didn't have to face your mother losing her lover.
Viajar por la India es una experiencia obligatoria. Puede ser o tu mejor recuerdo o tu peor pesadilla. Tú eliges.
You didn't have time. I don't want to judge what's in your heart, but if you're not ready for love, how can you be ready for life? How can you be ready for life? So let's love fully and let's love loud, let's love now, 'cause soon enough we'll die, 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 'cause soon enough.